Perfect. Here we have the manufacturer's bathroom fan. The handles come off here, but we could get a new handle. We want to change this out to a high volume quiet fan. So we're going to go ahead and take these 4 screws out and change it out. So that is the fan there. A larger motor and a bigger fan. It's about $200 off of Amazon. Comes really well packed. And then we also got the cover to go over that as well. So we're going to go up on top of the travel trailer and to see if the other one can come out easily. So let's head on up and check it out.
We are scraping the putty off, and we're going to take an old fan and put a new one in.
And then we're going to stay really nice and cool.
Yeah.
Battery disconnected. Empty. Here. Power's unplugged.
After we remove the putty, we have to remove all the screws from the old fan vent. There's a number of them all the way around. You can get to them with just your Roberts or Phillips screw and just peel back the old fan and it will come right off.
Push.
I'm packing a new fan.
These are used screws. These are new wires.
Today we are going to put sealant tape. Sealant tape.
It's not sealant tape, it's just sealant.
Today we are putting butyl tape on.
Okay, we're going to be using this self-lap sealant. There. Probably won't do this to the end, and we're also going to use some of that air. Probably let's get these 2 things in, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, now we are putting a new fan, and we are screwing the things in and screwing all the things in and
We're just putting the sealant in all the way around the new MaxxAir vent. Once that's screwed and we applied the silicone, I'm just leveling it off here with a mud knife.
Take our wire strippers, a little bit of dielectric.
So there's just 2 wires here, neutral and the hot. So we're just twisting them together and putting the grommets on and then tucking them up into the ceiling and we are good to go.
Okay, moment of truth.
Yay!
Okay, that worked out pretty good. You can see there, you can open and close. Turn on. Nice and quiet. Okay, we got the MaxxAir vent here.
Alright, we're just taking some Eternal Bond here. I believe...
Okay.
You think we're all done? We're almost all done. We're just putting it over top of all the joints to make sure it's 100% waterproof.
It will fall off.
I hope we don't fall off. And then we're putting over the cover.
No, it's just that this will fall off.
Well, it won't fall off if you put the clips in, right?
Yeah.
If the clips are securely in, we're up and running.
That's all done. Vent is ready to go. Okay, we are up and running. I can stay open now, even if it's raining. That goes up nice and high. Fan on low. That's perfect. Get some nice airflow. So quiet. So there we have it, the MaxxAir fan and the MaxxAir cover installed. Quick and easy altogether. It took about an hour and a half, I would say. Thanks so much.